Nadia Yegorova Johnstone and this is SAT TV. I'm joined by Hans from Siemens. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for inviting me.
Pleasure. So, could you please tell us more about the ILS-1 this year?
Yes, of course. Yes, actually yesterday we introduced a new feature of our carrier monitoring system, which is called CCAMS. And as you were pointing out, it's called ILS-1. Why it is called ILS-1? It is, from my point of view, revolutionary because normally what you need for interference localization, so if you detect something is going wrong with your satellite signal and you want to detect where it comes from, the interference or what's going wrong, you normally need two satellites in order to geolocate it on the ground. With our solution that we introduced yesterday, you need just one satellite. So your own satellite, and normally, of course, you know everything about your own satellite, or you're supposed to know everything about your satellite. And so this is much easier than the old solution, or let's say the conventional standard solution, because the second satellite has to fulfill certain criteria. It must be very close to your satellite. It must be in the same frequency range. And you have to know the exact position of the second satellite. So, and if you are not the owner of the second satellite, you are out of luck, which means that in a lot of cases you are not able to geolocate it with the conventional solution. With our new one, you are able to do it with your own satellite, and so this is why you don't need a second one. And this is why we call it ILS-1, and this is why I think it's quite a revolutionary step in geolocation.
That's great. Simplicity for the customer.
Of course, yes.
And what trends are you seeing in the market this year?
What trends? Let's see. I refer again back to ILS-1. I would see that the trend, actually I hope that we make the trend for this one, because we are going to address customers that we are currently not addressing because they are not so interested in the conventional solution because, as I said before, they have no second satellite close by. These are the small satellite operators. This is, for instance, military operators. And so this is, I hope, one trend that we generate with our new solution. So coming to the broader satellite carrier market, well, the trend is again, I think, driven by geolocation. So because you see worldwide, but specifically in certain regions of the planet, Mid East, North Africa, and so on, you see a lot of interferences taking place. So I see a trend that always more, the big ones, but as well as the medium and small sized operators are have heavy problems with interferences. And this is why I think that interference will be an issue in the future and is already an issue right now. So this is, let's say, in the more focused context of satellite monitoring. In the satellite communication industry, I see a lot of newcomers, like smaller countries, be it Venezuela or be it Vietnam, be it Kazakhstan, and so on, Azerbaijan. So these are countries that have a national pride to have their own telecommunications satellite, and also this for us is a future chance that we actually can provide them with a proper solution in order to monitor the quality of their signal. And if they have problems also with interference, to geolocate the interference on the ground.
So you're optimistic about Siemens' role in this industry in the future?
Yes, I'm very optimistic. Apart from, let's say, this carrier monitoring stuff, products, we also work in the satellite manufacturing part. There we provide test systems. We have not them on display here at that show because it's a dedicated communication show. But we provide test equipment for satellite industry, and also there we see the trend that commercial satellites are, let's say, picking up a little bit, or let's say they're at least at the same level, about building 20 per year, which came down from, let's say, 28 a couple of years ago, but 20 will be the trend in the future. And so this is also where we see some chances, as well as in the institutional market, which is for us European Space Agency market. We see also that it picks up again because the agency started a lot of new programs where we are interested, and of course where we will have some role as well.
That's great. Thanks for taking your time out for us today, Hans.
Okay, thank you.